Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to send a website link on Instagram. So let's start. First open a browser and go to a website you want to copy link of. This is my travel agency website. Now to copy the link, tap on the URL. Now tap on copy icon and the link will be copied to your clipboard. Now close the browser and open the Instagram app. Now go to DMs from top right corner. Then select a conversation. Now paste the link and then tap send. And the link with a preview will be sent. And if you tap on the link or the preview, it will take you to the website. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.